Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to schedule post on Substack. Here's how to schedule post on Substack web app. The first thing you need to do is to open the Substack web app and enter your login details if prompted. Once logged in, navigate to the post creation. How do you do that? In the left-hand main navigation menu, which we have in here, go ahead and click on the plus icon. And you see two options, note and long form post. So select note if you're writing a standard post or short post, or long form post if you're creating a longer, more detailed article. So let's say I want to select long form post. In the post editor, which we have in here, add your content. So the title of this my content will just be excerpts. No, it's supposed to be an X. Okay, so excerpts from this is effective study of the word, and here is just gonna be where the Bible is. Start writing. I have a note already, and no, that's not meant to be Control P. It should have been Control V. All right, so this is it. All right, perfect. So in the post editor, add your content, title, body text, images, and any other necessary elements. So ensure that your post is fully ready and formatted before scheduling. You can use the formatting tools at the top corner here before scheduling. Now, once you're done, in the top section of the post editor, you have two buttons that say preview and continue. Now go ahead and click on continue, and that's going to take you over here where you have to select the settings. So this post is for everyone and allow comments from everyone. You can add relevant tags if you want to. You can add a social preview, that's upload a picture like a banner or so, and the delivery sent via email and the Substack app or scheduled time to email and publish. Okay, so if you want to schedule, go ahead and click on schedule time to email and publish. Then in here in this box, you have to choose the desired date and time for the post to be published by adjusting the calendar and clock options provided. So here you go. So let's say this is 11th and this is November 5th November, and we have 12:29 p.m. I think I like that, but if you do not like that, just go ahead and make the edits from here. Just go ahead and click edits. You can just head over to click on the calendar and select the date, the new date, and the new time from here. Now once you're done with this scheduling, go ahead and click on send to everyone in a day, which is at the bottom corner of this publish window. So go ahead and click on send to everyone in a day if you want to, and that's it. Add subscribe buttons to your post. Now your post has no buttons asking readers to subscribe. Posts that include subscribe buttons convert twice as many readers to subscribers on the average. So if you want to do that, you can click on add subscribe buttons or publish without buttons. So I'm just going to click on publish without buttons, and at the bottom corner, I hope you can see scheduling. Now my post is about to be ready. No, I'm just going to go X on that, and now says your post has been scheduled. So once it is time, you will see that this post, whatever I posted here will be scheduled at the exact timing. And that's pretty much it. So to review or make adjustments to scheduled post, which is optional, just go back here and locate your scheduled post in a list where you can click. This is it. So you can click on the scheduled post, and here you can click on share, or you can just go ahead and click on edit post to make edits to your post. So that's pretty much the process, and your post is now scheduled and will go live automatically at a selected time. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.